6 and 5, akala ko ba wag sa side na no cliff? I'm confused.
Head to 5.
Head to 5, head to 5, head to 5. Come on, let's hold to 5.
Food up, 6 and 5, 6 and 5, 6 and 5.
2, 1.
Go. Buff up. Play to survive.
They pull me out. I was push out ako ah.
6 and 5.
Oh, shit!
Uy, gago.
Wala, push out
Grabe
kami.
yung lag ko dito,
Ang
man.
sakit. Balik ako agad.
6 and 5.
Resurrection.
Resurrection ako.
We have to wipe them. Let them cap if they wanna cap.
Fuck.
Let them cap if they wanna cap. Alright. Those that are on 5, start moving to the center. Start moving center. Start moving to the center. Start moving to center. Push. W. Come on.
Nalagyan ko ng pool si Zaskin.
They have a resurrection stone. Go. Control the center now. Start controlling the center.
Kaya naman eh. Lalim ni Zaskin. Doon sa kita.
Or no?
Medyo balls deep.
Kill the resurrection stone, guys. Kill the resurrection
Medyo malayo-layo ka, sir.
Resurrection stone daw. Kill the resurrection stone.
Kill the resurrection stone.
Oh?
Start pulling people.
Yung tayo suro na sa atin, ha?
Start pulling and pushing people. Come on.
Coming back.
Start pulling and pushing. Control
Gas
the
game.
middle now. Pull people.
Oh shit.
Shit!
Nahulog ka?
AoE's on the middle.
Ay, push din ako. Putang ina.
We have to wipe them.
Ah, teka, sir.
Oh my god, patay ako.
Napull ako ah.
Grabe yung ano? Grabe yung stun. Hindi ako makahil agad.
Yeah. Ako rin eh. Kaya natagawa eh.
Si Zaskin, no?
Sorry, can someone
Boss.
recap? Alright, we're pushing them away.
Diyan ba yung daan, Trix?
Yeah.
Sandworm. Okay, go. Back agad.
Ayan.
Dagat, Rexter! Tag-ina!
Run away.
Ay, kumusta.
Tsaka dumaan, Marvin.
Left side. Yun yung ano?
Tang ina talaga, men. Tinatapon ako ng tinatapon.
Okay, healing cast not working.
Let them
I'm
cap,
change
let them
to ano?
cap. It's okay.
Ano ka, men? Sa Romancer ka ba?
Pick your targets, guys. They
Yeah.
don't have any resurrection stone.
Maraming nag-ano eh.
Wala ako dyan ah.
Targets. Can we please wipe 4? Wipe 4.
Ay, wala palang grappler sa 5.
Kurt,
Dito sa ano?
pull and push.
Sa 5 meron
Kailangan
meron.
tayo si ano?
Saan?
I'm down. Please call.
Nakuntayin si Spec.
Alright.
I'm still on the way.
Last kid.
Amatay lang ako.
Asan si Zaskin? Kailangan ko puntahan si Zaskin. Purong tayo na entity.
Pushing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Coming back.
Tangina, merong pa.
Grabe yun.
Pasalubong sa akin palagi. Okay.
Ang hirap, ang daming ano.
Hindi ako makapunta sa side niya. Ano? Ayun. Andun si
Up and down
Trickster.
We gotta pick a side, man. Sa atin.
Come up tayo sa 5. Nandun sa
Yeah,
side
tayo
na
sa
yun si
5.
Zaskin.
Sa 5.
Ah.
Pushing and pulling people.
Mali pa ang push.
Pushing and pulling people.
Nandito ka ba, Dexter? Ah, nasa baba ka.
Yep, nagtulak ako.
Si Saskin.
Ayan, mamamatay lahat. Let's go.
Okay, mag-go Ravager. Mahirap.
Actually, Shadowmancer is good here, man.
Let's clear.
You sure you wanna check?
People on 5.
Okay, I'll stay.
Start pushing towards the center.
Hindi ako makawa
Kasi
ano eh.
club sila eh.
Start pushing towards the center.
Hindi, we just need the healer talaga, man. Para tumagal. Para tumagal tayo.
Dito kami
Ako
lang
din,
di sa side na
namamatay
yun
lang
ah.
din ako, eh.
Start pushing towards the center.
Trickling down tayo eh.
Asan si ano? Nasa gitna si Sasuke.
Oo, okay lang si Sasuke nun. Abot naman siya. Oh, tinush na naman ako.
Ang ina talaga. Pinupunteriya ako.
Sorry. Pag na-push.
Ayan.
Okay, hindi. Kailangan Shadow Dancer. Main ano?
Hindi ako ano man. Backward na you!
Andito, me!
Just keep pulling and pushing people, guys.
Just
Keep
dying, dude. I'm just dying.
Pass by the other side. Wala na. Kanina pa ako tinatarget eh. Apat-apat yung nasa akin eh.
Pulls from 6. Prioritize pulls from 6. Push them, push them, push them, push them. Push them out,
May
push them
ikutan
out,
pa ba?
push them out, push them out.
Other than that, grapple.
Okay ka lang, Trickster.
Sa side,
Nakakapalit
sa
ka.
side. Sa 5 side, 5 side.
Sa 5 ako.
Okay.
Sige lang.
Oh my
Huwag ka
god.
dyan
Layo
dumaan.
mo.
Huwag ka dyan
Layo mo
dumaan,
dyan, Marbs.
Marvin.
Heal, heal! Hi! Happy
I
Chola!
think we need to wipe, we need to wipe 4. I think we need to wipe 4.
O yan, from dito ka. Sa likod na to.
Alright. Okay, we have numbers now, Start clearing the center.
Dito kayo sa side na to. Dito kayo sa side.
Window
Clearing
center.
the center. Everybody go to 4. Clear 4.
Clear 4 daw. Clear 4. Go to 4. Go to 4.
Clear 4. Everybody go. Clear 4. Clear 4.
Sige, D.
everybody.
Trickster. Naka-barrier kayo.
That's their numbers over there.
Pabalik pa rin. Pabalik ako.
Gas ka nandun.
Dalatagan ko si Sasuke.
Clear 4. Clear 4. Clear 4.
Heal.
Sige lang.
Start
Okay.
clearing 4, guys. Clear 4. Clear 4.
Sige lang. In control pa kami. In control.
Asan ka? Asan ka?
Clear 4 for
Asan ka,
now.
Marvin?
Clear 4 for now. Clear
Hindi,
4 for
nakatabog
now.
lang.
Sige. Okay.
Clear 4. Clear 4 for now.
Nahulog ka? Okay. Focus ako kay Trickster. Tsaka kay...
Oh my god, natulak ako Marvin ah.
Ano?
Sige, dito pa ako.
Pag,
Ay, balik. Ay!
Alright. Start looking into the center.
Puta.
Center.
Timing yung ano ah.
Nalaglag ka din?
Start moving to the
Hindi,
center.
Sabihin niyo pag nalaglag kayo ah.
Clearing center, guys.
Ah,
Clearing
sige,
center.
para ano.
Big AoE.
Clear center daw, clear center.
Can you disrupt the middle?
Oh, shit.
Disrupt the middle.
Pusa.
Disrupt the middle.
Sorry, limay tumitira sa'yo Marvin. Wala, hindi aabot man.
Change, D, can you change the target? CD anihin mo?
CD.
CD.
Naka-Sasuke ng ang lead.
Ay, Zaskin, can you pass the lead if you can? Kay D.
Ah, shit. Nilaglag na naman ako. Tang ina. Wala ako dyan ha. Wala ako dyan.
Oh my god.
How do you get up? Oh no.
Sa kaliw.
Pin
Pin 1 to pin 2.
Okay.
Oh my god, grabe.
Patay si Sasuke.
Wipe.
Patay ka ba? Spec?
Oo, kakapatay ko lang. Hinihid ko si Zaskin eh.
Recap.
Ang grabe yung tumitira sa kanya.
Sino pang buhay dyan?
Dami. Ako.
Ko.
Ay, shit, mamatay.
Hindi ka barrier yun ah.
Come back. All
Pek,
the
healers.
Wala. Kakabalik ko lang.
Wala. Hindi kita mahabot. Sige lang.
Wait.
Hintay ko kayo ah.
Sige.
all skills on boot right now.
Ano, mga
All
15
skills
seconds yun.
going to start
We
capping.
need to prevent them from getting it.
Alright, we have it.
Nakap na, recap na. Nagkakap na sila ulit.
Pero regardless ng number.
Si, oh my god, teka.
Coming. Spec.
Patay ako.
Ilan na naman
Alright,
ako.
They're at 6. Can you
Oh
position
my God.
to 6 and push them. Push and pull them.
Taas na kayo.
Push and pull them.
Patay ako,
Nahila ako,
patay ako.
natulak ako.
Okay, I'll wait for you down here. Everybody,
Sige.
meet up or ano?
Regroup tayo sa baba, right before nung grappler.
Kurt, I think we need to do a full regroup because we're
How many more minutes?
Ang daming
We're
bumabalik.
trickling.
Ano?
Alright, big regroup.
dribbling in.
Kaso pag nag-regroup tayo.
Let's be
Pag-
quick though, because
Pag-akit ko, may hila ako eh.
Yeah. Push. Kitang-kita na yun eh. Push and pull yan, man.
head to do
Pat? Saan tayo, Pat?
Go.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Guys, big regroup. I want tanks to go
Sige.
in first. Come on.
Dito, tinitira sila dito eh.
Close yet. Don't go too close yet. Don't go too close yet, because you're gonna get hit there. Big regroup.
Atas na onti. Oh my God, ma.
Big regroup. Come on, come on, come on. Everybody up. Everybody up. Everybody up.
Hurry up, let's go up,
Everybody up.
let's go up.
Healing touch. Go, go,
Ay,
go.
ay, ay.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
Buff up, buff up. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Start pulling people. Start pulling and pushing people right away. Start pulling and pushing people. Go, go, go. Start pulling and pushing people right away. Pull and push people right away.
Fuck.
Ang dami, gago.
Grabe.
Si Whiskey, ano
Ay,
yung
sa
si
4,
Whiskey?
4. Pagka kaya nyo, akit kayo 4.
Sige, 4 tayo.
Saka,
Para wala
Marvin.
tayo sa club. Tara,
Hindi
sa
ka
4
abot
tayo.
ng hill ko, Marvin. Nasaan ka?
can't, bro. I can't get up there, bro. We're getting attacked down here.
Oh, okay. Lipat kami sa 4.
Sa 4. Punta ka sa 4. Medyo
Naka sa
na...
likod.
Abang dito sa ano.
Everybody that's at the bottom go up. Everybody that's at the bottom go up. And then stay on the piton by 3. Stay on the piton by 3. And
Siya ngayon, tinulak na naman si D.
The leader regroup.
Ano ba daan dito?
Wala, kailangan mo umikot sa 1, men.
Ayun,
Ay, nakakit ka.
You need to push and pull, push and pull, push and pull.
Patay ko. Si Lea na low pace. Sino ba to?
Oh, nako, putang ina.
Trickster,
nito
sa taas
si
ka na?
Iri. Gago si Iri ang puta. Ayaw kong tantanan.
Bomb the moon, bomb the moon, bomb the moon.
Bomb the
Ang ina nito.
On the moon,
Okay na.
on the moon, on the moon,
Thank you.
on the moon, come on. Wipe it, and once you wipe the
Oh,
moon,
no.
Go to 5. Next, stay on 1. Stay on 1.
Ano
You
ba
got the
umakit
regroup.
dyan po? Okay.
Stay on 1 and
Yung isa pinaproblema yung akyat.
Wala, pag umikot ako dun sa kabila, patay ako eh.
Sama kita.
Okay lang yan, gagawin kita hagdan dyan bukas.
Dito na ako. Dito na ako.
Sige kita. Saan ka? Nasaan ka? Saan ka, Marv? Saan ka?
Dito na ako, katabi ni Spence! Ay!
Ina mo ka.
Sa taas ka na? Ano, Trickster?
Coming back up, regroup coming back up.
Oh no!
Guys,
Teka, huwag ka muna masyadong tumulak dyan.
regroup coming back.
Tangin na ako.
Wala sa
Umamatay pa.
spinner, ha?
Recap.
Pitas-pitas ka lang.
1. There's a lot of people on 1. There's no one on 5. Go 2 and 1. That's where they are.
Mahirap dun sa kung saan tayo, ano.
Pulling and pushing people.
Kaya nga umikot ako eh. Wala akong makitang daanan.
Putang
sa
inan
kabila.
to, hayop. Pinush na naman ako.
We need a cap.
May capping power ba tayo sa group natin?
Someone cap.
Si Jaskin
Si Saskin.
Oh no.
Come on.
Justin,
Ang
you can
inang
cap.
silence yan. Nakap na.
Parang hindi ko na sa
They're
nahihil
coming
si
back.
ano.
They're coming back. There's a lot of them.
Hindi, si ano, hindi ko rin nahihil eh.
Disrupt them, guys. Don't let them go up.
What's happening? Parang hindi ko na nahihil si Trickster.
May nagkakap ah.
By the piton. Push people up.
Ay, nanihil na.
Push people out.
Please. Heal.
Oh my god, natulak ako.
Heal.
Yan na,
Ay,
nahil na.
thank you.
Pumasok na ba?
Atas ka, Marvin! Marvin, atas ka na onti.
Si Saskin.
Ito.
Disrupt them. I want people on the pitons while we have it. While we have the map.
Help, heal.
Pitons.
Puno ka pa.
Disrupt
I can't, I'm stunned.
Ay, gago.
I can't move.
Sino yung bumatay sa akin? Si Eri.
Yung Airy, lagi nandun sa area natin.
Oh my god. Push, wala ako dyan.
Yup, I'm moving
Sige,
back.
sige.
Dami ko na patay. Tatlo.
Si Trickster.
Asan ka? Hindi nahihilig. Kinikilig ko eh.
Same spot.
Piton right now. Piton.
Kung saan kayo na-push, nandun lang ako.
Disrupt them.
Sige, dito nga tayo sa Piton. Tangina, dito tayo. Kung saan si D.
Focus bombing on Piton right now.
Bigay na kayo, Zaskin? Yung ano?
Oh my god, tulak na naman ako. What?
Nice pull, Zaskin. Come on.
Sige lang, ibomba natin dito lahat ng heal sa ano, sa piton.
Piton, guys. Don't let
Marv,
them
you good,
come in.
Marv?
Don't let them come in.
Yeah. Ah. Uy, grapple. Dito na ako kay FA!
Don't let them come in.
Ito na! Ilagyan na ng buff.
5 minutes.
Pinagkakap sila.
Ano na.
Sige lang, stay lang tayo dito sa piton, Dito namin ibobomba lahat ng heal, ha.
Nakalatag lang lahat ng heal dito.
Alright, some people go
Parang nawala sila.
They have
Go
their...
five. Next
Oo nga.
game, go five.
Eh, nasa likod, nagsummon sila.
Sa likod.
Everybody on 5. Everybody on 5.
Everyone on five, everybody on five.
Everybody on 5. Everybody on 5.
Dipad.
5.
Help you, help you.
On 5. Push.
I got you.
On 5.
Where you guys?
On 5.
Dito tayo.
Nahulog
Sa
ako,
5, sa 5, sa
Nahulog ako,
5.
gago.
Marvin, hindi ko ba heal?
Nahulog ako.
Ba,
Ano, tumakit dito.
sa gilid. Talong ka. Merong grapple dyan.
Nasa 5 kayo? Nasa 5 kayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Summon gates.
Ikot talaga ako.
I think we need to put down summon gates now.
Ay, pinush ako, puta.
Maybe put
On
down
5. Someone put summon gates.
A1, A2.
They got cap. Recap. Everybody on 5.
A1, A2.
Everybody on 5. I want everybody on 5. On 5.
Oh my god.
Uy! Putang ina, hindi ako makaabot dun sa inyo,
If
man.
someone working on summoning gate, we need to match him. Otherwise, we're gonna lose this.
Pinush na naman ako.
Don't let them push.
Grabe.
Down.
Pag pinush sa
Wala na,
kabila,
hindi na
walang
kaya.
grapple sa kabila, dude.
Get someone, get someone.
We need our guild summons on A1, A2.
A1, A2. Nandito na naman silang lahat. Sige, supportahan ko si Saskin.
Sige.
Wala ba tayong ano? Resurrection?
Oo nga, guild summon.
Kakagamit lang.
Guild summon?
Yung resurrection kakagamit lang. Summon dito.
Patay ako.
Okay, I'll wait.
Patay ako.
Man.
Babalik ako.
I'll wait.
Ayun, ayun,
Ayun,
accept.
putang ina, nakakaano ko lang.
Summon gates up.
Pop defenses.
Marv, don't go, Marv.
Alright, everybody.
Summon. Go.
Alright,
Take it.
Guardians up, okay? Guardians up.
Guardians up, ha.
Pa-heal speak, ha? Pa-heal speak.
Asa si Marvin? Ayun.
Ito.
Go. Push. Guardians.
Tara.
Teka, ano, D-Trickster, wala akong ano sa inyo.
Push and pull.
Totoo, unahin mo to nandito ah.
I want,
Sige, go, push.
Point 5 cleared out.
Dito ka lang sa tabi ko, Marvin. Yeah, pitas-pitas ka lang dito.
Recap. Zaskin, can you cap?
Uy! Ano yun?
Bam.
Oh,
Gagi!
Si Saskin, oh shit.
Marian,
Pwede
drop
pa yun.
Drop a smoke on Zaskin when he's
Getting
capping.
bombed.
Drop a smoke on Zaskin when he's capping.
Drop a smoke and Zaskin.
Yeah, we have to clear 5. We have to clear them out. But we have
2 minutes, 1 minute yung ano nila.
Trying to drop the smoke, but they bombed
both of them.
Aga, patay ako.
Kaming,
Sige,
may
balik na,
summon pa,
meron
may
tayo,
summon
ano?
pa, may summon pa.
May summon.
Kitty, put a shield on me.
Help.
Shield?
All bomb,
Okay, go.
bomb. Alright, go 5. Push 5.
Gago, pinulo ko.
Push 5.
Ayun.
Push,
Uy!
five.
Right now.
Uy!
Push 5 right now.
Ano, yun, naka-cancel yung cap.
Uy, ano yun? Putang ina, ano tong sisi na to, gago?
Tapos yung cap.
Cap.
Chill. Marvin. Oh my god, ang bilis na down nung ano mo, man.
Grabe,
Putang
man.
ina.
Dude, aga po.
Instant.
Knock up. Dude, wala. Hindi ako magalaw.
Kaya nga, hindi ko nga maano kailangan ko ibagsak kay nag-ano siya. Nagki-clear siya dun sa
Kill their magic users.
Tank
Oh,
killer.
yeah.
One more spec.
ano gagawin ko? Shield kita? Blessed
Yep.
Barrier?
Hindi,
Yep.
3, 2,
Ready?
1, go!
Go.
Uy, ano yun?
Control center, guys. Piton.
Nice one.
Piton again. Control piton.
oh my god, I died.
Sakit!
I died.
Control piton.
Ang ina, pinush ako dito.
Last.
Saka.
46
Second.
seconds.
Bilis.
Control the piton again.
Balik agad.
Piton again, guys.
Ayun na.
Overtime.
Dito pa kami ni Zask.
Cap. You need a cap. 39 seconds.
9 seconds.
I can go up.
Cap.
Ang dami nila sa kabila.
Cap. We need
Fuck.
a cap. We need
May summon pa, may summon pa.
Isama pa
Sige,
ba?
di.
Oo, may summon pa.
Summon Summon cap, please. Summon cap.
Yo, makap.
Cap. We need a cap.
Pinupush ako.
Tulungan si Saskin. Protect natin si Saskin. Kakap si Saskin. Oh my god, na-cancel.
Uy!
Come on.
No.
Talo.
I died.
15 seconds, come on. We need to cap.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Nice.
Nice.
Don't let it cap. Everything in the middle.
Panalo!
Huwag na ako ah.
Every in the middle,
Heal,
every
heal,
middle.
si Saskin.
Panalo! Heal that kid! Get that bitch!
Alright, recap.
Recap lang.
We just need a recap. Everything in the middle now. Everything in the middle.
Wala nang guild summon, fuck. OT ba yan?
Kailangan na i-recap.
OT,
Oo,
OT.
kailangan makap.
Focus on Piton. Don't let them come in. Focus on Piton now. Piton. Everybody. Piton.
Sa piton
Nice.
kayo, D-Trickster ha.
Okay na.
Si Kinilaw.
Parang nakapulo.
Wait, panalo tayo?
Ah! Panalo!
Ay, ginang boy, gago.
Oh
Ina,
my god!
yung kilikili ko, putang ina, Pasig River. Ay, ina. Tang ina.
Like, that was nice. Yung ginawa natin.
Oh my god.
Grabe yun.
At ng bird kami.
Oh my god.
50 plus.
Over.
Lahat binoto kay Saskin tsaka kay Trickster habang nandun silang dalawa. Ang puta, wala na. Si Marvin napabayaan ko na.
Pansin ko nga!
Wala. Mas importante yung ma-recap. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Gagi. That was clutch, dude. Fuck!
Gago, tang ina.
Clutch yun, gago. Outnumbered tayo, gagi.
Nakita ko si Pat na
Gusto yata natin mag-outnumber pero nanalo tayo, no?
Gago, ang hirap nun. Tang ina. Ginamit ko yung last summon, tapos nalaglag din ako. Sabi ko, tang inang yan. Nawalan na ako ng pag-asa.
Yung mga men, pinupush.
Pero more than 49 ata to.
Dude, they have more than
Tang
that.
ina,
I think they have more
pinulap
than
tayo.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Damn.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna put you guys to the main channel. To lobby so I can do attendance.
Well, I'm not in
lobby. Damn it.
Let's go get attendance, guys.
Holy shit. Dude, I thought Saskin was gonna die at the end. I was like, oh my god.
Ang inang AoE damage sila, grabe.
Dami silang magic users. They have
Blade
so
guard,
many magic
Sakit.
Fuck. We're getting pushed left and right. Pull left and right.
Oh, I hate this map.
I hate
Never
this
get
map.
were easily pulled and pushed. It was
Please.
easy. I loved it. Hey,
That
was fun.
Spam. For the track, no reply. Do I put false or true?